Hello everyone, welcome to the Get East Tech YouTube channel. Today I will try to explain what I made for my graduation project. As you know, I am about to graduate from the electrical and electronics engineering, and this was my subject. Basically, this project is for monitoring people number inside small business areas like museums, groceries, or some metro stations, etc., etc. We can increase the examples. There are a lot of examples. Okay, I will give you the power, and we will see how it works. And after that, I will introduce the hardware, what I used, what is inside the box. After that, I will introduce this. Okay, still I didn't use a battery system, but lastly I will integrate the battery system to my project. Okay, let's give the power. Okay, I give 5.12 volt for my system because my microcontroller is working with 5 volts, and the system is consuming 16 milliamps right now. It is so small number, I mean. Okay. Well, let's begin. Okay, this is entrance sensor and this is exit sensor. We are going to put those sensors to the doors of our small business area. Also, I define a value for my small business, and this is right now 20%. Predefined value is 20% right now. When we reach 20%, a door lock indicator is gonna turn on, and the doors are going to be locked by a mechanism like solenoid valve or any kind of lock mechanism. Okay, let's try the system. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 4 6 5 6 is going up. I increase the person number inside the building right now. 14, 15, 16 is coming to the predefined value 20. Okay, 20% is reached by the system, and door lock mechanism is worked, and the door lock indicator is lighting right now. Okay, we will decrease the numbers. 16, 15. The sensitivity of my sensors are working so properly. You see, we will just arrange the sensitivity by a potentiometer on the sensor to make the distance more bigger. That's really easy. Okay, the system is like that. Okay, let's look inside. Let us open the box. What's inside the box? Okay, there are our sensors: exit sensor, entrance sensor. Those sensors are infrared object detecting sensors. I use a buzzer. I use a potentiometer to arrange the contrast of LCD screen. This is a PIC based project. There is an oscillator clock for the Okay, that's all. Let's look at the current consumption when LED and buzzer working. Yeah, right now all mechanisms are working, and the current consumption is 33 milliamps. Still so less. I mean, when we put a battery system to our project, if we put a good battery, it will last for maybe 6 months or 7 months because current consumption is so less. Okay, thank you very much for today. That's all of my projects. I tried to explain you guys how I make this project. Okay, thank you very much. Please like and share this video with your friends, with your family if you like it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.